Yeah, Jack on his new bike. Whoa. Lightning! Ah! Check out that big old bike. There's Logue. There goes Jack. Logan, you're doing good. Here comes Mr. Speedy.
Watch where you're going, Jay.
Whoa, you're so quick. Look ahead of you.
Turn.
You're gonna lap your brother. There he goes, catching up. Slow down, Speedy. Yeah. There he goes. Look in front of you, you freak. The freak of nature. Here comes Logue. Got his new two-wheeler.
Come on, big boy.
Logan, how old are you?
How old are you, Logue?
Where are you going?
I'm going to Jack, Mommy. I'm catching up to Jack.
You're gonna catch up to Jack? Alright, you gotta pedal a little faster, I think. Slow down, Speedy. He's gonna keep doing laps, apparently. Go through the middle. Stuck. Jack, go through the middle. Go through the middle.
What?
Go through the middle.
Okay.
It's trickier. Good job.
Follow Logue, Jay. Go get Logan.
I'm catching up to Jack.
Do you like your new bike, Jack? Look in front of you.
What?
Do you like your new bike?
Yeah.
It's pretty big. Here comes Logue. Just learning how to do his bike with the training wheels. Here comes Lightning Jack.
Watch where you're going, Jay.
I am, as he's looking behind him. Hey, Speedy. What do you think?
I can't catch
You can't catch up to him? Why not?
Too bad.
He's too fast?
Yeah.
You're pretty fast. Look at those big old flames on your helmet.
No, there's a spider on my helmet.
Oh, it's a spider?
No,
Fire.
spider on my helmet.
Oh, fire. What was I thinking?
It's blue fire.
It's blue fire.
Yeah.
You're a pretty cute kid, you know that?
My helmet's so cool.
It is so cool, I agree.
I just come with Daddy and get a new helmet with me.
Yeah, he took you to get a new one?
Yeah.
I like it.
Thanks.
Makes you
It's a
quick.
fire one.
It's a fire one.
It's a blue one.
It is a blue one. Look in front of you. There he goes. I think this doesn't really like focus very well.
Okay, can you go up to the sign?
Lightning!
Yeah.
Let's see what baby brother's doing. Hey! Are you watching the boys ride their bikes? Are you talking? Are you talking? Are you talking? Huh? Hi, bud. Hi, buddy. I see a smile. Oh, no tears. No tears. Happy. Hi. 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 Getting big. Did you find your hand? Alright. Let's stop there before you get angry. Let's stop there.